Hello there, I'm Jimmy Vegas, and today we are taking a look at an asset in the Unity Asset Store simply called Floral Gold Jar. Now, you may think it's a bit of a strange asset for me to take a look at, but there is a good reason why. So let's take a look at the actual asset itself. Now, this is one of those assets where you get exactly what is advertised, and to be honest, those no-nonsense assets are what I like to see. So, in terms of quality, it's actually really well put together. It's a nice looking jar. The pattern is pretty decent. And the reason I am reviewing it is because sometimes when you're creating a game and you just need a little something extra in your game, it's just like a prop somewhere, whether it's in a house or whether it's in some spooky mansion or something, and you can just come across this kind of asset. And I think this would fit in so well with different types of games. So it's always good to review assets which can be used for multiple things. And yes, it's not fully modeled inside, but that doesn't mean to say that it's not entirely useful, because you could still put maybe some flowers or something in there, but it serves the right purpose. So quality wise, yeah, it's pretty decent. Quantity, we get exactly what is advertised. We just get the model itself, the materials and textures that we need, and you can play around with the textures as much as you want to. So you can customize it if you need to, even maybe apply your own textures. Play around with the materials if you want to. Make it look however you want it to look. I always say when it comes to it, make your own assets in make them your own assets, I should say. Not make your own assets, but make them your own assets. Like just a quick change of smoothness there turns it from that shiny look to a more clay kind of look. So if you want that style, you can have that style. So yeah, it is customizable and versatile in that sense. So what is this going to be useful for? Well, like I said earlier, if you've got a house, you just need a quick little something as a prop, something that people never really pay attention to, but gives a room just more atmosphere. This is going to be one of those good props. Same with like a spooky, Resident Evil style mansion, and you want something just tucked away in the corner that no one's ever going to really pay attention to, but at least gives some atmosphere. This is a really, really good asset for that. And yeah, it always comes back to adding a bit of post-processing, how you want it to look. That's kind of cool. So yeah, it's going to be useful in a couple of different ways depending on what you want. It may seem like a simple asset, but sometimes simple assets are so powerful when it comes to game development. Folders are all neat and tidy, which is always good to see. There isn't a lot in the folders, obviously, because it is what you get. So like I say, no extras in that sense. But we do get the demo scene. You guys know I love a good demo scene, just so we can actually see what's going on. But what I like most about this is, like I say, I actually really love the design. It's just a really nice design put together, and as I say, it will fit in so many different styles of game. That's why I wanted to, basically show you guys this asset. So, as you know, I don't rate assets. I either recommend them or I don't. And you know what? I am going to recommend this for a couple of different reasons. It is tagged as free, so yeah, it is free at the time of recording this. And the file size is just under 6 meg, and that's a great file size, even for mobile devices, that'd be fine. So all of this put together is the reason why I would recommend this asset. Not just for beginners, but for people who've used Unity for a while and have, all different game ideas and want to use props, something a little additional to the game. I think this is going to fit in really, really well. So yes, I would absolutely recommend this nice and simple asset. So guys, have you used this asset yourself? If you have, let me know what you think of it in the comments below. And if you like this asset, give a thumbs up. If you don't, give it a thumbs down. But if you do give it a thumbs down, let me know why you didn't like it, what could be improved, and whatever else. And if you've got an asset on the asset store yourself, please let me know, because I'd love to take a look and possibly review it in one of these little videos. Finally, you guys know what I'm going to say. Hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon as well, so you can stay up to date with all of the game development videos that I upload to my channel, because there's a lot going on all the time in the game development world. Hopefully, I will see you around in another one of my videos. Thanks for watching, guys.